Hey YouTube, it's Kenji Carlos Spawn or Tyler Default here. Today I am with my dog Kona right here. And she's gonna want some cheese. She always reacts when I have the camera. She always thinks I'm stalling her. So let's go give her some cheese. Come on, Kona, let's go get some cheese. See my brother's room. Let's go get some cheese. Want some cheese? I'll get some cheese. She's a little wussy. Sorry if my camera's a little bad. Got some water in it. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be right back. And sorry guys about my camera screen. Apparently I can't fix it because I dropped it in this sink right here. Water. So my case is all wet. Don't know if you can see that because my camera screen sucks. Okay, so I'm gonna get some cheese. This is our fridge. Get some. It takes more time for it to focus. So, I'm gonna get some cheeses. Some cheese. We can only give her a piece. Last piece of her cheese. I don't want to waste it. I'll go waste. Going upstairs. Connie. Oh, she's ready for some cheese. Here she is. Some cheese. Sniff it. Sneeze it. Come here. Up, down, up. Oh, let's give it to her. Let her relax. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm not the best opener. I'm gonna pause the video until I open it. Alright, guys, I'm back. The piece of cheese open. And she's going crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up. Hey, stay back. Stay back. Come here. Okay, wash the pieces. Oh, yeah. Wash the piece of cheese. Ow! Oh, she bit my finger. Ow! Retard. Get out. That's all I have. I can't waste anymore. So I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe. And peace out. I'll do some more videos like this. Peace out.